So I am doing a dinosaur excavation frozen in icebergs. So my friend Lisa gave me this idea that I think it's genius. Do you want to take part? I know you love dinos. Okay. So technically you could do this with any little like plastic toy, but since our son loves dinosaurs, I think this is really fun. And so the whole point is like these are dinosaurs frozen in glaciers, and then they've got to dig them out. So next thing is you got to make sure you get these little bad boys into the freezer. True story, I haven't done this yet. So I called my friend Lisa because I was like, how do you get them to float? I wanted them more in the middle of the iceberg, but I'm gonna see what they look like when they come out. And I think they're still gonna be fun. So like any good cook, I had to have one prepared because obviously you've got to let it freeze, so it does take several hours. But let's see how we did. Oh, we got a big iceberg and dinos that are in there somewhere. So now we get to break this thing out. All right, so this is step 3. This is basically like sticking, you know, a utensil in an ice cube tray. This is surprisingly easy. So let's see what happens here when I flip it over. Ah, and there they are. All the baby dinos. This time, look, these dinos got frozen in ice. Here, how about maybe do we need some warm water? Take some more hot water to help get these dinos a little bit melted and get the ice a little bit more pliable, or whatever that word should be. I am going to put it in this bucket so that, you know, we don't have water rolling off. Okay. Okay. Pull it. Ah, oh, dun, 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 dun. Here you go, scientist. So this is a winner. I love this project. The kids loved this project, which was awesome. I think honestly they liked it more than I thought they would. My takeaways are I would definitely think about the kitchen items that I wanted to use for the actual excavation and be careful because I had to manage fingers to make sure that they weren't cutting off each other's. So, but so much fun. I love this, and I highly recommend having a workspace that you can have like a low Tupperware to put it all in if you have to start adding hot water. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go check out other projects that I've done to keep the kids entertained and to have some fun art therapy. Thanks.